Let's pronounce this word precipitate. 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 The word precipitate can function as different parts of a speech, depending on its use in a sentence. Here's a breakdown. As a verb, its meaning to cause something to happen suddenly or to cause a substance to separate as a solid from a liquid. As an adjective, its meaning is hasty, rash, or done without careful thought. As a noun, its meaning a solid substance formed in a solution during a chemical reaction. Its synonyms are provoke, trigger, expedite, impetuous, reckless, rash. And as a noun, its synonyms are sediment, deposit. Let's see its antonyms: delay, hinder, prevent, cautious, deliberate, thoughtful. And also, its synonyms are solution, dissolution, when it is noun. Sample sentences. Let's learn English with me. Orcja English. The sudden drop in temperature precipitated a storm. The reaction precipitated a white solid. You can see in the picture the temperature is dropping. His precipitate actions led to a lot of trouble. Avoid making precipitate decisions in stressful situations. You can see the guy is very nervous about utility bills. The solution became cloudy as a precipitate formed. A yellow precipitate appeared at the bottom of the test tube. See orange and green solutions in conical flasks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.